Use. This thermostat is non-programmable device and used for heating systems. 2-position or PID control to switch on, off heating systems. Inbuilt with large LCD display. Minimum and maximum set point limitation. The RDH 100 is used to control the room temperature and heating systems. Typical applications: homes, residential buildings, schools, offices. The device is used together with the following equipment: thermal valves or zone valves, commie boilers, gas or oil burners, pumps. Function. RDH 100 offers both 2-position and PID intelligent learning temperature control, configurable via parameter PO1, control behavior. The 2-position control algorithm to switch on and off the heating system within a switching differential, SD, as per the difference between set point setting and measured room temperature. PID intelligent learning control algorithm periodically switches on and off the heating system. The period time, T, and pulse length, P, of the control signal, PWM, are determined by the set point and the measured room temperature. In general, PID control provides more comfort and is more energy efficient than 2-position control. Backup. When removing the batteries, the set points and information required for operating mode changeover are retained for maximum 2 minutes. Display. The digital display shows the current room temperature and the comfort temperature set point. When the heating output is active, the triangle symbol is displayed. Mechanical design. The device consists of 3 parts. Plastic housing with digital display containing the electronics, operating elements, and built-in room temperature sensor. Baseplate, mounting base. Battery compartment. The housing engages in the baseplate and snaps on. The baseplate carries the screw terminals. There is a reset button on the rear of the device. The device is maintenance-free. 1 indicate as display of the room temperature in degrees Celsius per degree Fahrenheit. 2 indicate as indicates a request for heating. 3 indicate as temperature setting knob. 4 indicate as battery compartment. 5 indicate as comfort temperature set point. 6 indicate as indicates low battery power, replace batteries. Mounting. When mounting the device, attach the baseplate first. Then, make the electrical connections and fit and secure the device. Refer to the separated mounting instructions A6V10974417. Mount the device on a flat wall and in compliance with local regulations. If the reference room contains thermostatic radiator valves, set them to their fully open position. The devices are suitable for wall mounting. Recommended height, 1.5 meters above the floor. Do not mount the devices in recesses, shelves, behind curtains or doors, or above or near heat sources. Avoid direct solar radiation and drafts. Seal the conduit box or the installation tube if any, as air currents can affect sensor readings. Adhere to allowed ambient conditions. Change of batteries. If the battery symbol appears, the batteries are almost empty and must be replaced. Use only a battery of the same type and from the same manufacturer as a replacement. Observe the polarities, +/. The batteries must be new and undamaged. Do not mix new and used batteries. Store, transport and dispose of the batteries in compliance with local requirements, regulations and laws. Also observe the instructions of the battery manufacturer. Reset. To reset, press the reset button on the rear of the device. This resets all individual settings to their default values. Technical data. Operating voltage is DC 3 volt, 2x1.5 volt alkaline batteries AAA. Battery life is greater than 1 year, with AA alkaline batteries. Internal sensor inputs is thermistor 10 kΩ plus or minus 1% at 25 degrees Celsius, switching outputs, LX, L1, L2. Relay contacts. Switching voltage is maximum AC 250 volt, minimum AC 24 volt. Switching current is maximum 5 amps resistive and 2 amps inductive, at AC 250 volt, minimum 8 milliamps. Insulating strength. Between relay contacts and coil is AC 3750 volt. Between relay contacts, same pole, is AC 1000 volt. Fuse. No internal fuse. External preliminary protection with maximum C10. A circuit breaker in the supply line required under all circumstances. Operational data. PID control. Minimum period of slow time is 4 minutes. Minimum period of fast time is 2 minutes. Minimum pulse length of slow time is 12 minutes. Minimum pulse length of fast time is 6 minutes. RDH 100 set point setting range is 5 to 30 degrees Celsius. RDH 100 factory setting comfort set point is 20 degrees Celsius. RDH 100 special set point setting range is 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. RDH 100 special factory setting comfort set point is 20 degrees Celsius. Resolution of settings and displays. Temperature set point is half a degree Celsius. Display of actual temperature value is half a degree Celsius. Electrical connections. Connections terminals, via baseplate, is screw terminals. For solid wires is 2 by 1.5 square millimeters. For stranded wires is 1 by 2.5 square millimeters, minimum half a square millimeter. Environmental conditions. Operation is as per IEC 721-33. Climatic conditions is Class 3K5. Temperature is 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. Humidity is less than 90% RH. Transport is as per IEC 721-32. Climatic conditions is Class 2K3. Temperature is minus 25 to plus 680 degrees Celsius. Humidity is less than 95% RH. Mechanical conditions is Class 2M2. Storage is as per IEC 721-31. Climatic conditions is Class 1K3. Temperature is minus 10 to plus 680 degrees Celsius. Humidity is less than 95% RH. Weight is 350 gram. Color of housing front is signal white Trau 9003. Housing material is ABS, LCD lens PC. Degree of protection of housing is IP20. Dimension is height 120 mm, width 90 mm, depth 26.9 mm. If you want more information, please follow our blogger, link in description, and if you think this video is useful, please subscribe, like, share, and comment our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.